Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring your source table is clean and consistent. Headers only once, no blank rows, and like data in each column. Select the table or range now and go to Insert and Pivot Table. Pick a new sheet or an existing location. Once done, make sure to check My Table has headers, and decide if you want to add the data to the data model for more complex measures. This saves time and prevents type mismatch errors down the line. You drag fields into rows, columns, and values to shape the table, rows for grouping and columns for category breaks. Once fields are placed, open Value Field Settings to switch between sum, count, average, or custom calculations. You can add the same field twice with different settings. Also, add filters or slicers to let you interactively narrow results. As you adjust layouts, refresh your mental model. Pivot layout drives analysis, so experiment until the numbers tell the right story. You finalize by formatting numbers, adjusting subtotals, and applying number formats so values read clearly. Then refresh the pivot table to confirm current data. Once done, add calculated fields or use Power Pivot for complex measures and relationships when simple aggregates aren't enough. If numbers look off, check source types, blanks, duplicates, and table range. Those are the usual culprits. As a tip, if refresh fails, verify the source sheet name and any external connections. That usually solves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.